As local cases of COVID continue to climb, school districts are trying to figure out now how to safely bring students back from winter break.
Some are considering extending their mask requirements. KCTV5's Nathan Vickers is live at the Shawnee Mission School District headquarters, which is holding a special session to discuss the issue. Nathan?
Yeah, masks have been a contentious issue all year long, and tonight Shawnee Mission schools were considering keeping their mask mandate for elementary school kids and pre-K kids. But just as the meeting was starting, this happened.
Over the weekend, from Thursday when we updated our dashboard last until today, we had over 2,000 cases, which we have never had before. This morning, just from 7 a.m. until noon, we were already at about 1,000 cases.
We aren't interrupting the speakers. They are providing us with information that we need to make decisions tonight. We will adjourn this meeting until people can be quiet if we need to. I am prepared to adjourn this meeting at this juncture until this room can be quiet so that we can get information from experts.
Okay, so the crowd had interrupted an epidemiologist from the health department, and so the board adjourned for 10 minutes and then threatened to postpone the meeting if it happened again. It resumed a little bit later, and then that specialist from the health department pointed out that, the Omicron variant spreads much faster than previous strains. She says schools, like the rest of the community, will experience 4 to 6 weeks of heavy caseloads. Now, the plan that the board was looking at also includes a strategy for testing students who come into contact with sick people, but the discussion kind of came to a halt because it was interrupted again just a few minutes ago. And this time the board did adjourn the meeting indefinitely. They say they are going to continue later via streaming tonight. Now, before the meeting, we spoke to parents on both sides of the issue. Here's what they had to say.
I think the district has done a lot to protect our kids, and it hasn't been a burden for us. And my son doesn't seem to have any complaints with it.
It's very frustrating for us because our children were really excited about the possibility of being able to wear masks if they wanted or not wear masks if they didn't want to. And so it's a real blow for our kids who have now been masked for a year and a half, academic year and a half. It's been a long time, and we're ready for it to end.
Now, those parents were coming back out of the meeting just a couple minutes ago, and we did talk to them. They said they were disappointed that 1 or 2 people had an outburst and they were forced to leave the meeting after that. So we're going to continue to follow this as the school board resumes their meeting and resumes this discussion. We'll tell you what happens later tonight at 10 o'clock. Reporting live, Nathan Vickers, KCTV5 News.
Yeah, keep us informed, Nathan. Thank you. Shawnee Mission is following the guidance from Johnson County to require masks in elementary schools, but that guidance could change in a few days. The Johnson County Board of Commissioners will hold a special meeting on Thursday to discuss its mask mandate, and that meeting is scheduled to happen at 9:30.